Hey, hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to another unboxing and review video. Alright guys, I got something pretty cool here today and I actually just brought it home like 10 minutes ago or so. I grabbed it on the discount and I'm very proud of it, so I'm not gonna keep it any longer and let's just dive right into it. Alright guys, this is my brand new Redragon Gm100 microphone. I purchased it on the discount, like 21% discount, and I paid for it like 23 euros, which is not that a lot honestly, and it looks pretty nice, at least looking by the picture drawn on the box. So I hope that this will turn out very well, and I hope to have less background mic noise in my videos now. I didn't try it out yet, so yeah, let's get to unboxing, shall we? Alright guys, so here we are. We're gonna unbox and review this thing right now. Sorry if the audio sounds weird or my voice, because this is now the sound from my action camera T5 Edge, so yeah, that's why it's different. Okay, so here's the box package. Looks pretty nice. This is the back side. Okay, let's get into unboxing this thing. Now we got this little thingy here. We have to remove the sticky part. Okay, I think I got it. Yep. Oh, it's coming off. Not that easily. Okay, we got that. Now, how do you exactly... Okay. Have to break up here a bit. Okay, I got it. Alright, so let's pull it out. Oh, it's this side. Okay, nice. We'll leave the box there for now. What is this piece of paper? Okay, I think... I don't know what this is, honestly. Okay, it's warranty. Okay, we're not throwing that away, that's for sure. So I can get I got 1 year warranty from the store, and then if I register my product on their site, I'll get another 2 years. So altogether that is 3 years of warranty. That's what it says on the box here. 3 years of warranty, 1 + 2 if you register it online. Okay, classic stuff, so that's pretty cool. Then right here, these are the... This is the manual. Yeah. In different languages. Redragon. Safe here. Okay. So these are the specs. -30 decibel plus 3 decibel. 20 hertz to 20 gigahertz. 3.5 millimeter plug that goes into the computer at the back of my computer, and the length of the cable is 1.7 meters. More than enough. Okay, now here is the microphone itself. As you can see guys, it's very well packed up. This is the sticker. Ah, nice. So I'll keep this one. Maybe I can put it on something. Okay, so this is the... How do you even call this thing? The thing you put in front of your mic this. I don't know word for that, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the tripod. Okay. So that stands like that. This is a wire, of course. You can bend it whatever way you like. So that's pretty cool. I assume that this goes here, right? Yep, that's right. You just screw it on this like that, and there you go. That's it. Easy as that. Okay. Nice. I'll have to set this some other way because it's throwing it off the balance, which is a normal thing. Let's leave that aside for now. Let's take a look at the microphone itself. Looks pretty nice, honestly. For a 23 euro mic, looks pretty good. Looks pretty professional. Okay, let's take this gummy thing off. Put it aside. Okay, how do you actually put this in now? Okay, I see. Nice. Okay, there are gummies. These rubber thingies. Okay, I guess you just put it through here now. Nope. Not from that side. Obviously, it goes from the top. Oops. Cable is messy. Gotta do that first, like that, and then just put it through here. Oops. Yeah, this thing is really throwing off the balance. Okay. Did I do this right? I think I did. Okay. It's kinda looking weird, but I think I did this just fine. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The plastic does feel cheap though, kinda. I expected these to be like rubber, and they actually are. It's kinda a mix between like a plastic and a rubber. I don't know how to describe it really. I assume that this goes over the mic now, and it's supposed to hold like in between. Let me take this off. It's really annoying throwing thing off the balance, making it hard for me. Let's go with that. Okay, put it here and then put it on this here. Okay, that is one. Yeah, it's much more stable now. It's not moving that much anymore. A second one goes under there. It goes from this side. Okay, that is way more stable. And now I have to do the same thing at the bottom here. But first I need to pull it through the entire cable like this. Wow, this is actually more complicated to set up than it looks. It's pretty weird. There's more work around this than I expected. Okay, one more. Okay, let's just pull it through again. It just goes like that. Attach it from this side. Now this one's gonna be especially tricky, I believe. Ooh, yeah, definitely. Wait. Okay. Come on. Get off my finger, please. Jeez. Okay. So, there you go. Got it. You can push it a bit more in. And there you go. That stands pretty still there, which is the point of these rubber gummy things. And now you just set this up, the thing you talk into, the spongy thing. Just screw it on like this. It's very simple how that works. And that's it. That's officially all set up. Let's just now put it like this. Ooh, this makes really bad noises on my table, moving around. Okay, and that's it. This is how it looks like. It's all done. Looks pretty nice. Right, that actually looks pretty good. It's not bad at all. I like it. How you can move it up and down as well. Okay, not bad at all. This is the 3.5mm plug that goes into the computer. And that's it. Okay, nice. Let's try it out now, shall we?
Well, hello there. Alright guys, so this is the raw sound from my microphone, from my new Redragon microphone, and yeah, I still have the same amount of like that background mic noise, but now I see that it's not the problem with the microphone. I actually need the sound card in my computer. This mic is connected directly to the motherboard via 3.5mm plug, and yeah, I still get kind of the same results as with the previous one. I mean, about that noisy thing. However, I think the sound sounds better. It's clear, definitely, and it's like less loud than the previous mic was. It's way less louder, and what I like about this mic is that it has this round spongy thing, which is very helpful if I like cough or like laugh or whatever. I'm not gonna blow directly into the mic, which doesn't result in those noisy sounds from blowing and all that kind of stuff. So for 23 euros, this mic is definitely worth it. I think it's pretty good. It looks pretty cool, and it's not only the sound that I bought this mic for, it's the looks, of course. I mean, look at it. It looks pretty professional from the other side. It's not bad at all. I think it's worth it. It looks a bit better. It just makes you look more like a pro streamer or whatever, you know. So yeah, I would totally recommend you to go for this mic for 23 euros. I mean, yeah, sure, why not? I kind of don't like that it feels a bit too plastic. It feels a bit too cheap. This tripod doesn't really feel the best. But overall, not bad at all for that price, and I really appreciate what I've got for that money. And with that, I will conclude my review, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. I appreciate all of your support and everything you've done for me and my channel so far. You're amazing. I love you guys. Also, you can join my Chris Facebook group, link is down below in the description. I post all kind of stuff over there, so join if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to, it's totally okay. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want to. Again, if you don't want to, you don't have to, it's totally okay. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Chris out.